Dishwasher Repair Authorized Service in Los Angeles is a premier appliance repair service company, employing only factory-trained dishwasher repair technicians. Our technicians are trained in all the major brands of dishwasher repair and service, such as Whirlpool dishwashers, GE dishwashers, LG dishwashers, Amana dishwashers, Bosch dishwashers, Sears dishwashers, and much more. We have technicians standing by in Los Angeles and the surrounding areas such as Beverly Hills, Santa Monica, Orange County, San Fernando Valley, Malibu, Oxnard, Sherman Oaks, Brentwood, West Los Angeles, Pasadena, and Burbank. Call us today at 877-309-7770. One of our friendly operators will be glad to assist you in setting up an appointment.